So you have an account on Threads on Instagram app and now want to check the followers list or maybe remove a bunch of them, right? Hey, we're not judging, just here to show you how to see follow and followers list and remove them on Threads. So stay with us. First, open your Threads app and then tap here and go straight to your profile. Now right under your username, tap on followers. Now here you can see the list of your followers and people that you follow on Threads. If you want to remove any account from your followers list, what you have to do is just go ahead and tap on remove. At the same time, if you want to get rid of anyone that you follow, just go to following section and tap on the unfollow option. Well, there is another way to do it. You can also go to these profiles and just tap on following button and unfollow them from there if that's convenient for you. So that's how you see the following and followers list, and also can remove them on Threads app. So how many followers have you gained on Threads? Share with us in the comment section. Thank you for watching.